Unlike audiovisual instruction or communication, educational communication does not merely center on the production of media and materials, while audiovisual communication focuses on the media and their design. Educational communication focuses on the process of human learnings and on the learners. In essence, development is a process that involves changing people. Such human change entails learning because the type of human change needed in development is relatively permanent. As a major field in development communication, therefore, educational communication directly helps bring about the development process. It does this by working the changes in people's knowledge and awareness, attitudes and values, and skills desired in development. The first characteristic of educational communication: learning and communication are considered systems as a method. The second characteristic of the field is that its procedures are well planned and systematic. The third characteristic of educational communication is that the field utilizes both human and non-human resources combined in a way that will achieve the best results in learning. A fourth characteristic of the field is that it applies concepts, theories, and research findings on human learning with the ultimate goal of inducing or enhancing learning. The fifth characteristic of educational communication involves various functions. More specifically, the AECT 1977 lists 5 educational development functions and 2 educational management functions under educational technology. The 5 educational development functions are the research theory, design, production, evaluation, selection, logistic utilization, and utilization dissemination. The 2 educational management functions are the organizational management and the personnel management. The sixth and last characteristic of educational communication as a major field in development communication is that it emphasizes non-formal education. Both formal and informal learning possess another characteristic of educational communication. They are well planned and systematic, while informal learning does not possess the same quality, tending to be haphazard and accidental by nature.